Today is the first day back to work after Christmas. And I already know what you're thinking. What happened to your hair? I think Aaron Bewley inspired me to shave my head, but something I've always done since I was in high school, military school days. But yeah, I love it. So hopefully you get used to it over the next few vlogs. On today's plate, we have to go meet Sherry Dickey. She's an event coordinator with IEEE, I believe. It's a huge tech company, and she's going to be having their banquet. We're just gonna talk about the ins and outs of that, just make her feel comfortable with us doing their catering. After that, I need to do some Grubhub and online ordering, stuff like that, and hopefully make it to the satellite office today. Really, actually, hopefully make it to the gym.
Just save it, Kostas. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Hit it. Hit it.
Alright, so I parked right over here. The restaurant is way back there, but I mean, come on, it's like a $3,000 billboard. Why not have it parked like strategically? So I have one van parked behind me, and I have the other van actually parked right here. The thing is these trees are always filled with leaves, and like this tree right here, do you see this tree? It's always filled with leaves, and you can't see the OPA sign. Like, it's strategically there where it blocks the OPA sign, so that sucks. Welcome home, huh guys? Let's get inside.
So this is our catering meeting.
The catering meeting with Sherry Dickey.
Yep, and Chase Jones.
And Chase
My
Jones.
sidekick.
I like Chase. I like the name Chase Jones. It's like a Hollywood name. All right, so I think we just got the job. So I don't know if the food sold the job or if I sold the job. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. All right, we'll do that. I'll see you soon, and happy birthday, okay?
Yes. Thanks.
Bye, guys. Got to go drive all the way to Arlington to pick up some good baklava from a local baker. The name of the bakery is Baklava Bakery. That's actually all they do, based out in West Arlington. And we meet somewhere in the middle because there was a mix-up with them. They actually normally deliver just to us all the way out here in Rowlett, which is like an hour and a half from the store. But we're gonna meet 45 minutes in between. But yeah, we need good fresh baklava. I feel like Brian right now with the GoPro in the car. Brian, what's going on, buddy? I feel just like you right now, but I'm not traveling from state to state. I'm just traveling across town to grab some baklava real quick. Good to see you, buddy. Is it all right?
Good to see you, man.
All right, awesome. Well, if we are gonna meet at Starbucks, I mean, gotta get a coffee, right? If you haven't had a Starbucks double shot, highly recommend you try it. It is espresso. I do heavy cream and sugar-free vanilla, so that's my Starbucks drink of choice. Starbucks double shot. Not quite a Greek coffee, but it's good. So this knife is like a $2,000 knife, and the blade that we use to cut the gyro meat is like $200 on them? It's like $200 per blade, so we try to keep them going as long as possible, but that's what gives you that really thin cut sliced gyro meat. We are gonna complete the day with a catering order. It's getting real cold out here, but yeah, just 40 people, but man, they ordered a lot of food. So I guess let's go get this thing. So our travels are bringing us all the way to Denton, to the Denton Civic Center. All right, let's go check this place out. Wow, that's crazy. That's a crazy space behind me, isn't it? Isn't that crazy? I think it's way too big of a venue for the amount of tables they set up, but hey, gotta have it somewhere, right? Another thing that I've been doing is been buying these like disposable, they're not really disposable, but they're chafing stands. That way, if I need to like drop them off and not come back and pick them up, or if the guest doesn't want to like drive all the way back to Rowlett and pick up the chafing dishes, they can just basically keep them or throw them away.
Baby, you're my future and you are my past.
Luke and Elora here, they actually are the ones who hired me, and they're going to Greece on their honeymoon. She lived in Greenville, which is the other side of the restaurant, and he lived in Irving on the other side of the restaurant. I guess the restaurant was like the halfway point?
Exactly, yeah.
So, the restaurant was at the halfway point, and when are you guys going to Greece?
New Year's Day.
Wow, wow. Santorini, all those places?
We're gonna go to Athens and then take trips to like Delphi and
On the mainland?
Yeah.
Okay,
mainland.
cool. So they're going to Greece. What better place? That's where I proposed to my wife, so I recommend it. Definitely. So, awesome guys. Well, hey, thanks again for having me, okay?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
Thanks so much
Thanks
for
so much. Thanks so much.
Thanks.
I'll see y'all soon, okay? Have a great time in Greece, all right, guys?
We will.
Have a good rest of your
Thank you so much, ma'am. I appreciate it. Thanks for having me, okay? So I just happened to be here in Denton on the way home, and I see Armadillo Ale Works. I've actually never been to this brewery before, and I think it's owned by a Greek guy. So his name's Yanni, I think. So hopefully he's there. We'll stop by and say hello to him and grab a beer. So I missed Yanni, but we got the beer, so that's the important thing. Poured out of an armadillo head, how cool is that? 10% Belgian strong ale. It's his experimental beer, so we'll see if it's good or not, right? Oh, what a crazy day. We got the baklava picked up, we did the catering order, we were going and going. Sometimes after a day that long and that hard, you just have to come by and enjoy a refreshing beer. A really well put together, get a little bit of clove in there, just all those flavors of a Belgian strong ale. So Yanni at Armadillo Ale Works did a good job, so good job guys. Well, I'm gonna finish this up real quick, drive I guess basically an hour back to the restaurant, should be around 8:30, 9:30, pop out the schedule for next week's shifts and call it a night. It is midnight. Why don't you say we get out of here? So if you guys want to see anything else as I take you on these restaurant owner adventures, again, my name is Kostas with Greek Taverna, and we will see you guys in the next video. Shh.